But what will the Supreme Court appointed Amicus Curae Raju Ramachandran's report say, which is expected to be submitted also? NDTV's Arunachal's Vedanathan spoke to him.
Sir, today the Gujarat court says that SIT report saying no evidence, but you seem to have differed with Mr. Raghavan's report. So what's your views on this?
Well, the Supreme Court had asked me to give my independent assessment of the material which had been gathered by the SIT, and I have done so in my report. I expect that when the SIT report is given to the complainant, a copy of my report will also be given to the complainant.
But we understand that you differed with Mr. R.K. Raghavan's report, who almost gave a clean chit saying that there is no criminality involved so that FIR can be filed against Mr. Modi. You differed saying that he should be further examined.
Well, I have given my independent assessment of the material on record.
But did it differ with Mr. Raghavan's report?
That you will know when the report becomes public.
So you mean to say you doesn't want to say anything about your own report?
I wouldn't want to say anything about my report, except that I have given an independent assessment, and if everyone is patient, the contents of my report will be known to all.
So what is the legal process now? When will the court will accept the report or reject the report? What is the legal status? What will follow now?
If the SIT, as it has done, exonerated, if the SIT has found no evidence, let us say, against the persons against whom allegations have been made, the complainant in law has a right to file a protest petition asking the court not to accept the closure report, and I expect that the complainant would, in such a situation, take steps to file a protest petition.
So what will happen after that, sir?
The court will then consider that protest petition and decide, by applying its independent judicial mind, as to whether the case should be closed or not.
But is the court duty bound to give a report to the petitioner?
The court definitely is required to give a closure report to the petitioner to enable the petitioner to file a protest petition. That is the position in law, and the Supreme Court recognized this position in its September order, that the complainant would be entitled to pursue the remedies which are available to her in law.
No, but your report, will the lower court in Ahmedabad is duty bound to give your report also to the petitioner?
My report would, I expect, be part of the SIT report as an annexure. And if the SIT report is being given to the complainant, I would expect that my report would also be given to the complainant.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.